All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver, T15 Torx screwdriver and long nose pliers. To remove the switch unit and install a new one, firstly eliminate all power, then remove the wheels. You need to remove all of the screws holding the plastic outer housing shell in place. These might be tightly secured, so take your time. Then remove the 4 screws holding the detergent tank holder in place at the bottom. You can then remove the pipe hose and the tank away from the pressure washer. There will be 2 more screws that we need to remove, one on either side of the yellow housing. Remove the detergent suction pipe hose and lift the motor up and out. Now remove the screws on the plastic casing with your T15 screwdriver head. You'll then be able to pull apart the 2 sides of the casing and remove the motor. Remove the switch unit by pulling it away from the cylinder head as shown. A top tip is to take a photo of the existing wiring layout so you have a reference in a few minutes. Now remove the electric connectors with your long nose pliers or by hand if you're able to. Remove the old switch lever and pop it to one side. Now, with your new switch unit, place the switch lever back in. Use the reference photos you took earlier and reconnect the electrical connectors. Reconnect the switch unit as shown, making sure the connection points are firmly in place. You can now put the unit on one side of the plastic casing as shown and then reattach the other side of the casing. Then re-screw all of the T15 screws back in place. You can now place the motor back in the casing of the pressure washer and reattach the detergent suction pipe hose. Then pop the plastic housing back on. For this to attach securely and easily, you may need to unscrew the 4 screws with a Phillips screwdriver on the back casing at the bottom of the handle as shown. Then go ahead and re-screw all of the screws back into the plastic outer housing. And if you unscrewed the 4 screws on the bottom of the handle, also re-screw these back in. You can then reattach the detergent tank holder and re-screw the 4 screws in. Then attach the detergent suction pipe hose back to the detergent tank. Reattach the wheels and that's it. Your new switch unit is all set to go.